semoga mereka excited. Mereka lagi di kamar semua. Guys, you can come in.
Wow. What?
Oh. Oh, that's gonna be so dull.
Yeah, that's amazing. I will take a picture. Oh, you send me a picture.
I will send, yes.
Look at this. It's like a
Damn, white people.
fast
You
food.
look so pretty. You actually look like so fucking pretty.
I don't think
It
so.
smells
I
so
wash my
good.
hands.
Fuck off!
So, welcome. I will just...
I'm gonna eat all by myself. You know?
Oh yeah, I'm happy if you can finish all of it.
Give me a hug,
Right?
Ah, it actually looks so good. It looks like KFC.
Wow, banana leaves? Wow, so traditional.
So yeah, that's, we call it Ngeliwet.
You didn't notice the banana.
It is a banana leaf. That's Indonesian loves to eat how to say it, on banana leaves. It just makes the rice taste better because like a little bit like banana or whatever.
Oh,
So-
it's like a plate, but there's like rice.
Exactly. So we call it Ngeliwet. It's called like eating together.
One big
Oh, this is the chili thing. Oh, this is so good.
Is it
That's so
spicy?
good. No, it's mild. I know because you don't like spicy stuff.
Is that too
Wow.
All you can eat. Are you excited?
Yeah,
A lot of food, I know.
it looks amazing. It looks like when you go to a fancy party and you do like. No, I feel like in a movie, like tropical movie. Like,
Oh, that's true because of the banana leaf, right?
in Hawaii.
Yeah, that's true.
Hawaii?
Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Ngeliwet.
Ngeliwet.
Ngeliwet. Ngeliwet. Yes. So this is typical like when Indonesia gathering, and then they sit on the floor, and then they have the banana leaf and then put food on it. So, but in this case, we won't do it on the floor because it's too cold. All right.
Okay.
So you enjoy. So try you have to eat with the chili pasta because it's so good, and your rice.
Chicken that's really so well. Oh wow.
Just like I'm just.
This rice so good.
Tempe, you like it? Tempe, right? Yeah.
Did you cook everything by yourself?
Like what I cook is the here, here, and here. It's just like simple.
Just simple, you know, just this.
You know, like there's a lot of salad, right? Like all fresh stuff. So you just have to cut it.
I just do like ground beef and like chicken breast. That's it. This is so good.
Is it like somebody's phone? Oh, I thought it's like.
This is fried.
There's a lot of food, yeah. I'll join you on the other side.
ASMR.
Nah.
This is good though.
It's like a good crunch.
I don't know what to do. Jen, how did you do it?
You need
made
to
it
show
right.
that you know what you
Yeah.
do.
You want one? I'll make one.
Yeah, we love chicken.
Okay.
I can see that.
I mean, if you put too much, you're gonna end up like, you know, like shaking too much.
What's your favorite Indonesian food?
It's so bad.
What's like really popular? This?
This is popular, like the food like it's chicken with rice and then some veggies. So we like meatball soup. Indonesian meatball soup. Like we have a lot of different kind of food.
Everybody is eating their hand, but tastes so much better.
Yeah.
You know when I was a kid? Like if I don't want to eat, my mom always like bring the food and then like put the kids here. And I was like, yeah, because it just tastes better than with the cutlery. It's an Asian thing.
Like I say, Jovito, eating in the luncheon, we just eat in this little box and just use it as much.
It's also like it has to be a lot of food. And there it is. A lot of food.
I said I'm hungry.
Yeah, I like this.
Many more food.
No, man, I'm not hungry anymore.
That's only Justin's.
At least now she knows the answer.
That was a word. Hey guys, I'm sick. Milan is like dying. He's like, okay, let's go. Not working for 3 months now.
I know, but serious. Last time I called him, like I was so hangover and I couldn't help